Hey, what's going on, guys? It has been a while, but I'm on holidays now. I finished work about 2 days ago, so I'm on Christmas break now. So right now I'm just doing a little job to the EF. I don't know whether this will be a solo video or whether I'll put it with a bunch of other little videos and upload it, because I got a little bit to do over the holidays, such as fixing a scrape on this side of the car that was in it when I bought it, because there's a little surprise coming with the car in the new year, so stay tuned for that. But at the moment I'm replacing my catch can, so I've already pulled the old one out. This is the original catch can. It's just a little cheapo SAAS one. I think I paid like 50 bucks for it a couple of years ago, and it caught a little bit of oil and all that, but today I'm upgrading to a bit of a better quality one, which is the SAAS Drift one. I've looked at a couple of reviews and they are a lot better quality than those little cheapo ones. I paid about $110 for that. So yeah, hopefully it works a bit better. But I'll put this little K&N breather that I had on that one on this, just so it's got some vent and stuff, and it doesn't want to stall the car when I remove the vacuum lines off the throttle body. So yeah, I'm just gonna screw it into the inner side of the guard, so it's all secure, and then start putting it all together. Alrighty, so we've got the bracket screwed on, we've got the catch can in, I've just stuck the filter on top. So now I'm just gonna put the little things on to run it to the PCV, and this little hose at the back here, that one just there, that runs under there. I've got a little plug for there, so I'm gonna run the back off that as well, so that it's all running to the catch can and it's vented, and yeah, we'll see how we go. But for now I don't have any hose for that, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug that hole and then just run the small hose onto that before I can get a hose for that. And I'll try and get braided hose for both, so a new fitting, and yeah, go from there. Guys, so the catch can hose that I bought that I thought was way too big actually fits on the back, so we'll be able to run that and run it all set up. I do eventually want to go get some braided lines and make that PCV valve line bigger, but for now this will work. Alrighty, so that's all fitted up now, so I'm gonna go see how it runs with it running both. It's got the filter on it, because the first time when I put that catch can in it, I had them both set up, but it was stalling off, but I didn't have the K&N breather on it at that point. So I'm hoping now with this breather it still gets the airflow that it needs, and it will run nicely. I gotta go get fuel, so I'll take it for a drive, go get some fuel, and see how we go. Alrighty guys, so I'm just leaving the driveway now. Just on idle, it seems like it's lost its idle drop off that it does, where it like sticks up a bit and then drops and then like dies and stuff like that. So just going for the drive now, hopefully everything goes well, but for now it seems like it's running a little bit smoother. Acceleration feels smoother, because it used to have a little jerk when I put my foot down, but it's not really doing that at the moment. So possibly my acceleration issues have just been vacuum leak from a dodgy. Oh wow! At the moment it is really low on fuel, so the high flow pump is starting to struggle a bit. So I can't really put my foot down into it until after the servo. Thankfully though, the servo is like 100 meters from my house, so it's all good. And don't mind my tools that just fell over in the back. Alrighty, so we are at the servo now. So I'll just go fill up with some good old Mobil 98. And I'll be back in a bit. Alrighty guys, so we're all filled up. I got half a tank in there now. So let's give it a try, see how we go. Obviously, it will take a little bit of time for the ECU to relearn itself, but for now, we'll see how we go. Alrighty guys, so we're back home now. Everything seemed to run well. So yeah, once it's remaps, it'd probably be a bit easier, but yeah. So yeah, that's part one of this done.